So I realized that all this time I've been out here, I haven't shown you guys where I study. So today I'm gonna go to the Hague University and I'll show you guys the school. Oh yeah, and I have some little help with me. That's Maggie. Say hi, Maggie. Now that we're here, we'll give you a little tour. It is locked. Well, I can't give you a tour of the inside, but I can give you a tour of the outside. It's windy, rainy, cloudy, and I know these aren't the ideal location, situation, circumstances to film under, but we're gonna try to make it work. The Hague happened, and we're out here in the rain trying to make a storyboard of sorts and make some scenes, but it's just not happening. And this wind is terrible, and this weather is starting to rain, and it's cold, and it just makes you want to go in bed. And this is what the Hague is. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do after this, but I guess it's a movie about not making a movie. Pretty nice last day, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
But there's always a silver lining. It's rainy and terrible, miserable out, so no one's here to laugh at me when I try to go down this ramp. So I guess the moral of this story is don't try to make a movie when the weather's going to be looking like this. It's not going to work out. It's official, I will get sick here. Come study abroad in Holland where the weather is great. There's so much to do. The clear blue sunny skies will always surely put a smile on your face. That's what they said. Hey guys, if you liked the video, I have some more and you can click subscribe on the warm, dry kittens. Or you can check out below for some more videos. Just click on the warm, dry kittens though. Do it.